Close your eyes for a moment and ask yourself this one honest question. If someone met you today for the very first time, would they remember you as someone who added light to their life, or someone who just passed by unnoticed? This is not a question to hurt you. This is a question to wake you up, because your personality is not an accident. It is not something you are born with and then stuck with forever. Your personality is a asterisk daily practice asterisk. And the beautiful truth is this, asterisk asterisk, you can improve it every single day. Asterisk asterisk, today we are not here to talk about fake confidence, loud talking, or copying someone else's style. We are here to talk about real personality growth, the kind that changes how you walk, how you speak, how you listen, how you think, and how people feel when they are around you. This message is not for people who want shortcuts. This message is for people who want transformation. Let me tell you something powerful. The most attractive people in the world are not perfect. They are asterisk intentional asterisk. They wake up every day with one silent decision in their heart. Today, I will be better than yesterday. That's it. That one decision, repeated daily, builds a powerful personality. Now listen carefully. You don't improve your personality by changing everything at once. You improve it by changing asterisk asterisk, one small behavior every day asterisk asterisk. Personality is built in moments, in how you respond when someone disagrees with you, in how you behave when no one is watching, in how you talk to people who can do nothing for you. So if you truly want to improve your personality every day, you must first understand this deep truth. Asterisk asterisk, your personality is a reflection of your inner discipline. Asterisk asterisk, people with strong personalities are not lucky. They are disciplined, they control their reactions, they control their words, they control their habits. Let's begin with the foundation, self-awareness. Every day, ask yourself at night, how did I speak today? How did I react under pressure? Did I listen, or did I only wait to speak? Most people never grow because they never reflect. They repeat the same day again and again and call it life. If you want to improve your personality, reflection must become your daily ritual. 5 minutes at night can change your entire future. Now let's talk about the way you speak. Your words carry energy. They reveal your confidence, your mindset, and your emotional control. You don't need big English words. You don't need to sound intelligent. You need to sound asterisk, clear asterisk. Speak slowly. Pause when you talk. Let your words breathe. A calm voice shows strength. A rushed voice shows fear. Every day, practice speaking with intention, even when ordering food. Even when saying thank you. Personality is built in the smallest interactions. Now let's talk about listening. This is where most people fail. Everyone wants to be interesting. Very few want to be interested. When you truly listen to someone, you give them a rare gift, importance. And when people feel important around you, your personality automatically becomes magnetic. So every day, practice listening without interrupting. Look into their eyes, nod, understand before responding. Strong personalities don't dominate conversations, they elevate them. Now let's talk about body language, because your body speaks before your mouth ever does. Stand straight, shoulders back, chin up, not in arrogance but in self-respect. Walk as if you belong wherever you go, because confidence is not about feeling superior. It's about feeling asterisk secure asterisk. Every day, check your posture. It affects not just how others see you, but how asterisk you see yourself asterisk. Now listen to this carefully. The way you treat yourself is the way the world will treat you. If you disrespect your time, others will too. If you doubt yourself, others will sense it. If you believe in yourself quietly, the world will feel it loudly. So every day, do one thing that builds self-respect. Wake up when you said you would. Finish what you started. Keep promises to yourself. Nothing builds personality faster than self-trust. Now let's talk about emotional control. This is where real power lives. Anyone can smile when life is easy. Personality is revealed when life becomes difficult. When someone insults you, pause when something goes wrong. Breathe when emotions rise. Observe them. You don't need to react to everything. Silence is sometimes the strongest response. People with powerful personalities don't explode. They respond. Every day, train yourself to respond, not react. This single habit will transform how people see you. Now let's talk about habits, because your daily habits shape your personality silently. What you read, what you watch, what you listen to. If you consume negativity daily, your personality will reflect it. If you consume growth, your personality will shine with clarity. Every day, feed your mind something positive. A page of a book, a few minutes of learning, a motivational message that reminds you who you want to become. Now understand this. You don't need motivation every day. You need identity. Start seeing yourself as a person who is improving daily. Not perfect, not finished, but committed. Say this to yourself every morning: I am modifying myself. Because improvement is not loud, it's consistent. Now let's talk about how you treat people. Your personality is measured not by how you treat powerful people, but how you treat ordinary ones. Be kind without expecting anything back. Be respectful even when it's not returned. Be humble even when you are winning. Kindness is not weakness, it's confidence without ego. Every day, do one act of kindness silently. No story, no post, just growth. Now let's talk about your mindset. If you complain daily, your personality will feel heavy. If you are grateful daily, your personality will feel light. Gratitude changes your energy. And energy changes how people feel around you. Every night, name 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit will soften your heart and strengthen your presence. Now here is the truth most people don't want to hear. Personality growth is uncomfortable. You will feel awkward speaking slowly at first. You will feel strange standing confident. You will feel challenged controlling emotions, but discomfort is the price of growth, and comfort is the price of regret. Choose wisely. One day, people will ask you, how did you become so confident? How do you stay so calm? How do people trust you so easily? And you will smile quietly because you know the answer. You improved a little. Every single day, not for applause, not for approval, but for self-respect. Now this is your moment, not tomorrow, not next month, today. Decide that you will not stay the same. Decide that you will upgrade your personality through discipline, awareness, and daily action. If this message touched something inside you, don't let it fade. Take action. Subscribe to ***, modify yourself ***. Because here, we don't just talk about change, we live it. Share this message with someone who needs to rise, and remember this always: you don't need to become someone else. You just need to become the *** best version of yourself ***. Modify yourself every day, take a deep breath, and stay with me a little longer, because what you are building here is not just confidence, not just better communication, not just good habits. You are building ***, identity ***. Most people live their entire lives reacting to the world. You are here to shape yourself intentionally. Let me tell you something that can change the way you see personality forever. Your personality is the story people tell about you when you are not in the room. So ask yourself honestly, what story are you creating every single day? Because every smile you give, every word you choose, every emotion you control, every promise you keep or break, all of it is writing that story. Now listen carefully. Improving your personality every day does not mean becoming louder. It means becoming deeper Depth comes from values, and values are built through daily choices. Every morning when you wake up, before touching your phone, before checking the world, ask yourself, how do I want people to feel after interacting with me today? Do you want them to feel motivated, safe, respected, inspired? Your intention shapes your behavior. Your behavior shapes your personality. Now let's talk about consistency, because this is where most people fail. They improve for 2 days. Then they stop. They wait for motivation again, but personality growth does not come from motivation. It comes from non-negotiables non-negotiable habits. No matter how you feel, you show up with respect. No matter how tired you are, you speak politely. No matter how angry you get, you pause before responding. These small non-negotiables turn ordinary people into unforgettable ones. Now understand this truth: people don't trust perfection. They trust authenticity. You don't need to pretend you are confident. You need to accept who you are and still work on who you are becoming. When you accept yourself, insecurity loses power, and when insecurity leaves, personality shines naturally. Every day, practice being real. Admit when you don't know something. Say sorry when you are wrong. Say thank you when someone helps you. These simple words, sorry, thank you, I understand, are signs of emotional intelligence. And emotional intelligence is the backbone of a powerful personality. Now let's talk about your inner dialogue, because the way you talk to yourself eventually becomes the way you talk to the world. If you keep telling yourself, I'm not good enough, your voice will sound weak. Your posture will shrink. Your presence will fade. But when you start telling yourself, I am learning, I am improving, I am becoming stronger every day, your body listens, your tone changes, your energy shifts. So every day, correct your inner voice, not with lies but with progress-focused truth. You may not be confident yet, but you are disciplined. You may not be perfect yet, but you are consistent. That is enough. Now let me say something very important. You cannot improve your personality while hating yourself. Growth comes from self-respect, not self-criticism. Be firm with your habits, but gentle with your heart. Now imagine this version of you 1 year from now. You walk into a room calm, grounded, self-aware. You speak less, but when you speak, people listen. You don't rush for validation. You don't fear judgment. Why? Because you've already proven yourself to yourself. That confidence is silent. That personality is powerful. And the best part is this version of you is not far away. It's built through ordinary days, repeated with intention. One conversation at a time, one reaction controlled, one habit improved, one promise kept, day by day, brick by brick. Now this is your final reminder. Stop waiting for a big moment to change. Stop thinking you need permission. Stop believing growth must be dramatic. Real personality growth is quiet, but its impact is loud. So from today onward, commit to this simple rule, ***, every day, I will improve just 1%. ***, one better word. One calmer response, one confident step. That's it. And one day, without realizing it, you will look back and say, I am not who I used to be. That is power, that is growth, that is personality. If this message gave you clarity, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to ***, modify yourself ***, because here, we believe change is not a dream, it's a discipline. Share this with someone who is ready to rise, and remember this forever. You don't attract what you want. You attract who you are becoming. So choose wisely, build daily, and never stop improving. Modify yourself every single day.